how Tata Consultancy Services leverages data analytics to revolutionize Jaguar TCS racing in Formula E Championship. This project offers hands-on experience in analyzing real-world racing data, optimizing car performance, and building predictive models just like TCS engineers. By mastering these cutting edge techniques, you will develop in demand skills in data analytics, machine learning, and cloud computing. Adding this project to your resume will showcase your ability to solve complex problems, helping you stand out in interviews and secure top roles in the data analytics domain. Boost your career potential by learning how data drives winning strategies in high performance environments. Let's get started with the project, harnessing the power of cloud with Jaguar TCS Racing. Let me show you a video before we continue.
This is Formula E racing. Now, imagine the difference between winning and losing is in a thousandth of a second. As global innovators, TCS uses cloud technology to help Jaguar TCS Racing process terabytes of data, straight from the racetrack, through the cloud, and to Jaguar TCS Racing engineers, so they can fine-tune their cars and create strategies to win. Rapid access to data makes all the difference. Imagine applying that kind of power to your business. TCS, imagine the difference.
So guys, as you saw, let me give you some brief highlights about what they are doing. So Jaguar TCS Racing Formula E team leverages data to predict race outcomes and optimize performance. A TCS built cloud environment running on AWS speeds up the flow of data from the racetrack to the team base and vice versa. Cloud, digital twin technology, and rapid access to data allow Jaguar TCS Racing to push the boundaries of the race car in the virtual world to improve its performance in the real world. What is the challenge? At the ABB FIA Formula E World Championship, top performance depends on time critical data analytics, whether at the racetrack or at the team base. Jaguar TCS racing engineers need timely access to this data to make informed decisions about car setup and race strategy. Undoubtedly, this is where championships are won or lost. Formula E rules bind every team to use the same car chassis and battery. So Jaguar TCS Racing must develop the optimal setup to win races. The speed of access to data from the track directly impacts the team's ability to test and optimize the car's setup, which includes the powertrain, suspension package, energy usage strategy, and software. Each car can produce thousands of data points per second, generating 500 million data points during a single race. Formula E races are often won or lost by fractions of a second. Data driven decisions are extremely important for achieving peak performance from the Jaguar Type 6. So, having rapid access to data is crucial for victory. So, what is the solution? Is offered by Jaguar TCS. So, Jaguar turned to its title partner TCS, the world's second largest IT and technology consulting company, to help speed up the flow of data from the racetrack to the factory and vice versa. TCS and Jaguar TCS Racing leveraged the power and speed of cloud to give engineers timely access to data. Hosting data on the cloud gives Jaguar TCS Racing engineers and strategists valuable time to fine-tune the setup of their Jaguar 1 Type 6. Time critical data analytics at the track and the factory inform race strategy by powering data driven decision making and allows the team to predict outcomes at the track. Cloud computing enables our team to drive operational efficiency when developing tools for deployment across racing activity. Here in this image, you can see flow of data from the racetrack to the team base. On the left hand side, you can see you have Jaguar TCS racing driver. There are two drivers. Then there is a managing director of JLR Motorsport and Jaguar TCS racing team principal. We have a racetrack. Through the cloud, the information goes to Jaguar TCS racing team base where all the analytics is done. Formula E is a real world test bed for TCS technology. The lessons we learn on the racetrack are refined and deployed into our communities. Let's have a quick watch about the partnership.
The TCS and Jaguar Racing partnership is a natural fit. It's a coming together of two purpose-driven brands to support a sustainable future. And it's very much rooted in a shared belief that technology and innovation have the power to change the world. By joining forces and combining our collective knowledge and experience, we're driving research and development in the high-performance electric vehicle space. Our partnership with TCS helps us win races, reimagine racing, and ultimately benefit future road car development with key innovations in sustainability. We take the data and insights from the racetrack to the road to reshape the growth, development, and transformation of the entire electric vehicle ecosystem. Together, we're helping to create a better future for people everywhere, as well as for the planet. And the possibilities are endless. We're excited by the continued advancements in this partnership and can't wait for the future.
So now you have got to learn a lot about what is happening at TCS related to data analytics. So Hackvida is offering Jaguar TCS Racing Formula E Data Analytics project. The project duration is 6 weeks. The target audience is college students and working professionals. This training will be conducted online live. We are starting this training from 15th December 2024 and it will last up to 26th January 2025. There will be 3 sessions per week, Monday, Wednesday and Saturday. Session duration will be 1.5 hours and total duration of this training is 27 hours. On weekdays, we will be organizing this training from 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. It will be organized in post office and college hours so that students and working professionals both can join. There will be sessions on Saturday at 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. also. Fee for participant for this training is 6,000 rupees. There is an early bird registration discount by 5th December 2024. So if you register today, by or before 5th December 2024, you get a 500 rupee discount. Here is a week by week breakdown of what we will be discussing during this training. So in week 1, we will get started with introduction and basics. You will get overview of the Formula E Championship and Jaguar TCS Racing. Then we will take you to introduction to data analytics in racing. You will get to know about the tools and platforms to be used for data analytics in racing. We will be using tools related to Python, related to cloud platforms, related to data analytics and much more. On 18th December, we will get started with basics of racing data collection, where we will be working on telemetry data and sensor data. You will be understanding key metrics in racing performance. Then on 21st December, we will work on setting up the project environment and we will get started with introduction to sample data sets. In week 2, we will work on data pre-processing and cleaning. On 23rd December, you will learn how to handle large data sets, techniques and tools. Then we will be working on data cleaning and pre-processing. On 25th December, we will be working on exploratory data analysis of racing data. You will be visualizing key racing metrics. On 28th of December, we will be having a discussion on case study where historical formula e-race data analysis will be discussed. On week 3, we will be working on building predictive models. On 30th of December, introduction to machine learning for data analytics will be discussed. Then we will be working on regression and classification in racing data examples. Followed by, we will be developing predictive models for race outcomes. We will be training models with historical data. On 4th of January, you will be evaluating model performance. In week 4, we will be working on optimizing race strategies. We will be using data to optimize car performance, where you will be working on performance improvement on the basis of energy usage, speed, battery performance, and much more. Then we will be predicting pit stops and strategy adjustments. On 8th of January, you will be working on real-time data pre-processing and decision making. Followed by, on 11th January, we'll have another case study where we will be optimizing a race strategy using historical data. In week 5, we will be integrating the project with cloud. You will get an introduction to cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud. We will be deploying predictive models on the cloud. You will be working on real-time data streaming and analytics on 15th of January. Followed by, we will have a hands-on deploy a live analytics dashboard that will be done on 18th of January. Then we will be integrating insights into racing strategy. We will be working on debugging and final testing of the project. Then on 23rd January, we will be simulating a race strategy with data. Then you will be having your final presentations and feedbacks. You will be awarded certifications in this training. To be eligible for the certificate, your attendance should be at least 80% in the live sessions. Submission of all assignments and the final project is needed. Successful presentation of the final project is required. Certification type is Certificate of Completion in Data Analytics for Formula E Racing by Hackweather. You will get recognition. This will highlight proficiency in data analytics, cloud integration, and machine learning for performance optimization in Formula E. So guys, get started with the course, register today, and join us to develop Jaguar TCS Racing Formula E Data Analytics project. Thank you. Have a great day.